the Foothills Mall, in Maryville, Tennessee, and this is a Dixie-Narco, and they're not accepting cash, so I have to do card. $2.50, and we're going to select A1. Well, I gave me A4, and I'm still happy with that. And it says make another selection, which is really cool. E1. Alright, thank you for watching the vending machine, and thank you for watching the videos I do. Hope to see you in the next one that I do. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more. You know what to do. Subscribe and ring the notification bell. Until next time, bye y'all.